A month after Catholic Archbishop Philip Agnolo opposed the Vatican's ruling approving blessings for same-sex couples outside masses, Homa Bay Town Member of Parliament Peter Kaluma has asked the Parliamentary Committee on Social Protection to deliberate on the Family Protection Bill he presented in Parliament in June last year. If passed, the bill would ban the registration of LGBTQ rights organizations.
And our standing orders, the committee should undertake their role within 30 days. And so by the end of July last year, the bill and our standing orders ought to have been published.
In March 2023, the Supreme Court dismissed Kaluma's petition challenging its decision to allow LGBTQ rights organizations to be registered under Article 36 of the Constitution. Although civil society groups, including the SRHR Alliance, have advocated for sex education in schools to prevent early pregnancy and sexual violence, Kaluma has asked Parliament to ban comprehensive sex education, claiming it is harmful to children.
In its place, we will institute a sex education syllabus and curriculum which is age appropriate, appropriate to the development level of the child, appropriate to the religion and culture and the cultural diversity of the learners, and that is scientifically correct.
Kaluma was speaking at a meeting of 70 religious and non-governmental organizations which have signed a petition to the clerk of the National Assembly to fast-track the enactment of Kaluma's Family Protection Bill. LGBTQ rights organizations say the bill was sponsored by conservative groups in the U.S., including Family Watch International, but Kaluma denies these claims.
The first executive order President Obama signed when he became the President of the United States was to say any funding going to any country by any donor organization from the United States must be conditioned upon the beneficiary supporting this LGBTQ movement as human rights. And so those donor organizations are also in our country. We don't want to be funded as people on this side because we are fighting for good. We are fighting for what is right.
Section 162 of the Penal Code imposes a 14-year prison term for anyone who engages in sexual acts against the order of nature. If Kaluma's bill is passed, those found guilty of engaging in homosexual acts will receive a prison term of between 10 and 50 years, while those who fund LGBTQ rights groups will pay a fine of 10 million shillings or be imprisoned for 10 years.
The media freedom and men of the estate, men and women of the estate don't take it in bad stead. All we are saying is that you will not broadcast those homosexual activities.
We want the Ministry of Labour and the Inspector General to indicate respectively what they are doing to promote family values and to enforce our laws against homosexuality.
We will stand with this issue, against this issue, and we will make sure that we will not compromise the teachings of Allah in any way.
Muriel Adhiambo, K24 TV, Nairobi.